How to change your Steam username. What's up everyone? Welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to easily change your Steam's username. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Now, without any further ado, let's start. First thing first, you need to install Steam application on your device. And once you have done that, make sure that you are logged into your account. So as you can see here, I am already logged in. You can directly manage your account from here, or if you don't see this option, what you can do is directly click on your name right here, and then from here head over to your profile. So once you open up your Steam profile, all you need to do is on the right side of your screen, you will see this little edit profile icon. Once you click on it, you will be taken to the back end of your profile. So once you get here on the general tab, you will have your profile name, your real name, and your customer URL. So if you want to add your real name, you can do that. And if you add a custom URL, it will show up as your URL that you've set. So for example, I have not set any here. So it's going to show these random numbers. That's my ID. So what you can do is enter something and make it look like this on the URL. So on the profile name, if you want to change it, you can write whatever you want. And then from here, scroll all the way to the bottom and click on save. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward. As you can see, I've removed the dot from the middle of my name. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.